cloud over there. Serious dark cloud around. I'm going that way, which looks very sunny at the moment. Hopefully that's how it stays. Um, so I'm off into town. It is Monday, and we have some sort of food festival in town. And as part of that, there will be half of the hairy bikers. Not just half a hairy biker or anything, but yeah, half of the hairy bikers. So Cy King out of the hairy bikers is going to be there. He's doing 3 slots of food prep and showing, whatever he can do from his book. He's excuse the bus noise. So yeah, from his book with Dave, the Harry Biker's book, and it's about healthier meals from what I remember, from what I read. There's also going to be Joe Sexton, and I think he's from Fat Loss Feast or something, and a couple of other people who I can't remember. Now, I'm not really sure. Yeah, you probably didn't hear that because, yeah, trucks and stuff. I'm not really sure how how close I'll be able to get, if I can get anywhere near being in the wheelchair, etc. I'm not really sure, but before all of that happens, I need to take a pair of shoes back to yours, which is going to be a nightmare as well because we've only got a smallish yours clothing shop and it is round, so I'm going to have to just sort of call the assistant at the door, I think. I don't know. But I'll send something else. I've just had a couple of drops of rain because greyness is over there. Hopefully it's not going to stay. Yeah, and then I'm going to have... Yeah, I've got my camera, so I'm going to go in Mowbray Park. I'm going to go and have a look around the shops a little bit. And I'm not sure if I'm meeting my brother and my nephews. So that is the plan for the day. I will come back to you when something is happening. Thought I'd come in the park with my camera. The sun's just gone behind a cloud at the minute, but it's been quite sunny. There's an absolute shit ton of seagulls. Obviously the swan's gone from here. I found a story about Anna. She's been moved. She has a partner now, so that's canny. Same as Jacob really now. Both being moved. What else was I going to say? Yeah, it's looking pretty, all the flowers and stuff. Yeah, just waiting for the sun to come back out and then take a few more pictures and then I'll move on. Go in a couple of shops. Been in a couple, I got a top. I mean, it's smaller than I am. Although it would fit on my torso and that. I'm not sure about the arms, but hopefully it'll fit eventually. Shall I go down there or shall I go across there? Go across, I think. I've still got the Platinum Jubilee thing on. I guess they're doing it for the year. Anyway, I will get back to you in a bit.
But only £5 summer, you know. Have you don't get paid £5 for this?
I was going to say it.
No. Coffee.
Fennel. Well, do you know, yeah, have you got the big, and it's now starting to go slightly yellow on the top, and yes. So what I do is take all the seeds off, so those yellow seeds off, and I dry them. Well, some I do, and then I add them to curries, and I add them to particularly fish. I just blend the paste. I blend the paste with olive oil, those fennel, some fennel, you know, the fronds of fennel that you get as well, which are just beautiful, lots of those. And I make a paste with fennel and parsley, half a clove of garlic, and some salt, olive oil, and some water, and you just spread it over, you know, so it's like a paste, and then you just put it over a piece of raw ham and stick it in the oven. But if you're vegan, well, it's also great. Are you vegan? Okay, so it's also great with aubergine. So you know how you slice aubergine, slice it all the way to the length of the aubergine. Yeah, same with cauliflower. You've got cauliflower sticks. All of those textures just go really well with that particular, and it's really simple. Sometimes I like some pine nuts as well, so it's like a bit of a casserole bag, and it's just that simple, but it makes it just gives you, and particularly when you're vegan, you've got to work a little bit harder in the kitchen, haven't you? And you have to work a little bit harder in your head, a little bit more creative. But that's, yeah, I love it. Exactly that, yeah. It's a vegan stuff, yeah. I tell you what, there's a lot of vegan recipes in our veggie feast that can be adapted for vegan, and it's dead cheap at the minute on Amazon. I think it's a good fiver, and it's a big, thick, hardback book. It's good. What do you call those small Scotch products that they have? That they use sometimes in the autumn in Jamaican jerk. What do you call it? Oh, hello. Yeah, but. Dear me, it's only these pair of legs. I'm glad you've hidden that small carrot piece. That was a bit off-putting, that. But I tell you, 2 carrots and a small one, that's never it. So, yeah, but lovely question, thank you for that.
Lovely question.
Yes,
by the way, everybody, we've got 15 foodie bags to give away.
Yes, we have.
15 foodie bags. Everybody who's already asked a question will get a foodie bag. Definitely. Everybody going forward will get a foodie bag. We've only got 15 more.
Aye.
Definitely.
Sally, when you were making vegetable stock,
Yeah.
would you leave the skins on the vegetable?
What I do, personally, I do, because there's a load of flavour in them skins, do you know what I mean? So you've just got to wash them. And if you know where your veggies are coming from, and they're not a load of, and there's no, you know, dodgy pesticides on them or anything like that, it's always best to wash, you know, just give them a wash, but leave the skins on. And use the carrot tops, and use, you know, all of that, because they're full of flavour, and they're full of depth. And that's what you really want. Yeah, so I do, yeah, I'll eat the skins in.
Somebody.
I'm sorry. When you season it, is it better to use white pepper or black pepper?
Well, it depends what it is. White pepper I love with potato, because I just think it sits really well. Because there's an earthy, they're very different peppers on there. There's an earthiness to white pepper that you don't get with black. It's interesting because I think we were all brought up with white pepper on chicken as well. It's brilliant. And we were all brought up with white pepper before black pepper came in. I can remember never having black pepper at all. And we've kind of changed that. We've changed that now, haven't we? So it depends. I use both because I think it's really interesting though. My boys, they were all great, you know, knowledgeable about food, love their food. I don't. They don't like white pepper, and it's odd because they haven't got the palate for it. But I think all of us of a certain generation have, and I love that. So then, in answer to your question, in short, it depends. So You're more back. It's
Jasmine,
funny, isn't it?
watch
How
it,
we've kind of
Jasmine there.
flipped. It's a bit.
It's a big queue for face painting. More people than to see Sai. It's not many people actually, not many at all. I was expecting there to be quite a few. But yeah, it's not many at all. If you watch Lex Bad Biscuit, which you should, then she's recently been to a roller rink, roller skating, and like a roller derby, and yeah, we've got one here temporarily, and I really would have liked to go, but I think you're supposed to be on 2 wheels, not 4 or 6 or however many wheels this wheelchair's got, because I can't even remember, 5 maybe, something like that. Yeah, slightly gutted because I would have liked that, but yeah, but instead I can look at the frog and the rabbit or hare and see the melted ice cream and the big deck chair. Yeah, exciting. I'm not missing out, am I? Do you know what, if I just went in, do you think they'd be like, no, you can't do that? I mean, they might. Hold on, I'm gonna turn. Yeah, I don't know. Because technically I am still on wheels, isn't it? I mean, yeah. Oh, there's the chef down there. Oh, it's a female chef. There's a male one before. Alright. Bless her. I don't know how you can do that, I couldn't be arsed. Anyway, there's a St Oswald's charity shop, which I'm going to go in. And then I think it's Marks and Spencer's and Home. I'll let you know if I get out. I'm literally drowned. I just went across the bridge. The rain stopped a little bit, so I thought, oh, I'll go for it. Went so far, started chucking it down, and as I was coming across the bridge, I got absolutely drowned when the bus went past, and absolutely splashed us all over. Oh my god! Yeah, it's not good. Look at my feet. Like the water's literally in my shoe. It's so wet. It's horrible, and it's absolutely pelting it down again. So I'm like under the metro tunnel, like hiding. I mean, yeah. That's just madness. Absolute madness. But the thing I'm worried about is my camera and the wheelchair, obviously. So I'm like covering the thing with my cardigan and covering my camera, which is in this bag. So it's in this bag, and then I'm like holding my cardigan over the top. But yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit here and hopefully it'll calm down a second. Cause yeah, it's not that I can get any wetter, like I suppose. I honestly think it's just getting worse. I think I'm gonna have to just live here. See the way the bus splashed there? Well, that happened to me. And I got absolutely soaked. There, watch. It just, yeah. I hope you can hear us over the traffic and the noise of the rain, but I'm just gonna, yeah, I need to go that way to get home. Like, I'm getting, should I just go for it? And then I'm like, what's like the left, like the fucked up electric on me car, on me wheelchair. Oh, there's a train going above us. So I'm like, and then I'm thinking, if I do make a go for it, where's the next place that I can stop? And it's not until the stadium, like the, yeah, the thigh part of the stadium where I could do, I think. That hairy, half a hairy biker bloke, it'll be like a whitewash, like a washout now, not a whitewash, that's a different thing. A washout, yeah. I'm just thinking to myself, you're already wet, you might as well just go for it, but like, then I'm like, no, wait till it calms a little bit, and then I'm like, what if it doesn't? How long can I actually sit for? Before I'm like, I've got no choice. Yeah, honestly, what to do, what to do. I mean, I did recall that it said after 4, yeah, I think it was after 4, there was a 60% chance of rain, and I was like, oh, well, I'll be well back before that. But, I think it's about 2:30. A little bit calming or not. Doesn't seem to be. Anyway, wish me luck, people, wish me luck. I'm at the stadium now. Totally drowned. Totally. My camera's still alive. I've managed to. Freak. I don't know what I've managed to do. It's still pissing it down. I'm like, should I just go for it now? I'm like completely drowned anyway. Might as well. Okay, so I'm back home on my bed. I've changed my clothes. I've still got this thing under me because I'll have to wait till the carer comes for that. But I've managed to pull all the clothes over my head. I've dried myself the best I can with a towel. And I've just put the telly on and I'm gonna see what's on and chill out. And I've got a few crisps and a bit of dip because I've had nothing to eat today so far. Yeah, anyway, I shall see you. I think it's after 4ish now, so I'll see you later. Hello, it's now 7:10 and I realise that I haven't wrapped this up. I'm just, I've finally dried off, as it were, and I wanted to say a thank you to May. The lovely May sent me a loop in the post, which was lovely. So thank you very much, May. I haven't got it on his hair because it's in the bag down there and I can't quite reach at the minute. So, but I just wanted to say thank you for sending it, and it's much appreciated. Um, what else did I want to say? Yeah, it's been an eventful day. Um, got caught in the rain, obviously, and drenched, literally drenched. Um, seen a hairy biker. Yeah, it's been it's been different. Um, what's happening this week? I am live on Saturday this week. It's my end of the month live, so don't forget that. Also, I'm live tomorrow because I am on with Heather for our weekly Let's Talk About, and I think there will be a surprise guest. Surprise guest. Um, so yeah, don't miss that. Um, I think that's everything. I think I've covered everything. So other than that, I shall put a video here of something else that I've done. If you want to go watch that, please do. If you're not subscribed, um, please think about subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And I shall catch you next time. Bye bye now. Bye bye.